What's up, kunyados, kunyadas? So, nandito ako ngayon sa school kung saan ako nag-work. And for today, mayaw na shooting sa nakon klase. Yan na, adyan na mo pinaka-studio, wala pa tao, masirum pa. So, latulaton ko an akon creative team or an akon production team na mag-set up. Pero adin na nakon ko an. Adin na akon sa yung katrabaho nga mo nagpe-prepare sa mga materials. Si Miss Dia.
Good morning. What?
Magandang araw.
Magandang araw.
O, maupay nga adlaw.
Mangupal. Yay.
Maupay
Mangupal.
nga adlaw.
Ngatlaw. Mangupal
Ito.
ngatlaw.
Ayan, so, imbablog ko niya.
So here the forecast man.
O, wara pa didian. Hi lang ko. Mana? O, so, ginhanap ko anad to pa. So, hala, magwagi ko na. Mabalik na lang ka. Alright.
Yang pertama nggak perlu mic ya.
So, ayan, nakapag-set up na sila.
You know you're dating Philippine when
Ayan. May pinapakita sa akin si Miss Dia. Ayan, nakapag-set up na sila yun ng yung mga lights, yung green screen. Miss Dia, ay doon sin ulang. So, si Mr. Yan yan to nagkuhan wiring na. I'm using my language, bagay sumungad kang diliba ko ikaw. Miss Dia. Oh, si Miss Dia yan na. Oh, mahusay ano? Mahusay. Mahusay meaning, pag gisad nga mahusay, beautiful.
oh
Mahusay si Miss Dia.
you're beautiful.
In bahasa Indonesia,
Cantik.
cantik.
The song you like.
Ting 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 ting.
Oh iya memang like.
Ting ting. Pasay ke iskiri. So, ayan, ang shooting namin ngayon, I will be playing Malak Reporter kasi maulan reporter na. So, yan ang pinag-set up na ni Miss. Yan ang mga ilaw. Ano? Hala. Kailangan. Oh, masuna na. So, mag-reporter kita na. Kapapasok pa lang na balita mga kapuso, ang pangalan po ng bagay, wala pa po. Yeah. That is a voice of a famous newscaster in the Philippines.
Oh, okay. So you are not mocking him. Itu mocking mo.
No, it's not mocking. Actually, it's... No, in Indonesia, yan. So, ayan ang liwanag na, di ba? Ang liwanag na. So, ayan nag-ready na. Ayan ang mga spotlight. Ready na. Because for today, so, ayan. Ready na ang mga lights. Ready na ang mga camera ni Mr. Yan. Tapos yung script, ayun na nakalagay si Miss Dia. Always ready yan. Ito na yung green screen. Ayan, ready na din. Tapos ako, I'm not really sure if I'm ready, but I will try my best. Wow, English. Bahasa Inggris ya? No, saya bahasa Indonesia. Gak apa-apa ya? Gak apa-apa. Yang ini kami yang ada dua kamera. Yang ada dua. Ya, satu, yang dua. Terus lampunya banyak. Satu, dua, tiga, empat. Terus yang di atas ya banyak sekali.
Nice.
Waduh. Terus mukaku lampu juga, shining, shimmering.
Lampu juga.
Karena saya yang tidak makeup artist.
Oh, tidak ada.
Tidak ada makeup artist karena yang gadget is. So, yang ining produksi untuk kelas yang ada 3 orang. Orang host, orang asisten, terus orang kameraman. Ya. Yang ini kita yang coba yang the best in us. Though we're only like few, right? So this is small production only, but we are doing our best. Right? So for today, don't forget to subscribe. Hoy mga pag-subscribe ka. Ha? Naman. Ha? Okay. Sige, uni na. Tangpusan tayo. Manarabaho kit mo na. Wala kit kwarta. Kailangan ta mga kwarta, ha? Right? Ayan, natapos na yung first take namin kaso medyo huminto kasi mukhang hindi gumagana yung mic na gamit namin. So ayun yung team, mukhang inaayos yung microphone. Asan sila? Yun sila. So, is it working or not?
We are checking your...
You will be removing it, this one. They're trying to fix.
Let us know.
Hello, hello?
Oh, yeah.
So ayan, inaayos ng ating cameraman kung gumagana. Kasi baka mag-record kami na mag-record dito tapos hindi siya ma-record. So, sayang. Right. Is it okay, Mr. Ren? Ayan, inaayos oh. Yung mic ko. Ganito pala, pag wow, ganito pala. Like this. Hello, hello? So ayan, nagsasalita na. Hello, hello. Good day. Salamat siyang pertama. Kepala Berita hari ini 31 murid. Right. Is it okay? Not working? So ayun, kinuha na yung mic ko. Kinuha na, ayun na. So, naayos nila. Ito yung mga camera ko. Yung camera, dalawa, diba? So, mas maganda dito kasi. Maganda maliwanag. So, ayan. Kapapasok pa lang na balita, mga kapamilya. Sige, ayos. So, we'll be fixing first, Miss Dia. So, aayusin muna nila. Good day, Indonesia. Good day, Morning Star Academy. This is STEAM News Report, where science, technology, engineering, arts, mathematics meet all together. I am Mr. Albert. And for today's headline, 31 students have successfully finished their first project for the month of August. And this is the report.
What is our kids? We will remain here.
When the sun gets up, out of water.
Camera roll. 3, 2, 1, and action.
The starkest of water cycle. This is what happened when the sun heats up the bodies of water, such as river, lake, ocean, and sea. The water becomes water vapor. Again, the water becomes water vapor. So it rises up in the sky. This process is called evaporation. Kids, again, the process is called evaporation. And evaporation is the first. It's nothing. No. Okay, take it. Very good.
Evaporation is the first step.
Okay. Only one word per step.
Roll. 3, 2, 1, and action.
Kids, this is the water cycle. When the sun heats up the bodies of water, such as river, lake, sea, and ocean, the water becomes water vapor. Again, the water becomes water vapor. So, it rises up in the air. This process is called evaporation. Again, the process is called evaporation. And evaporation is the first step in the water cycle. It's only for evaporation.
So, Mr. Albert, what you're doing?
So, ayun, natapos pa din namin yung second episode ng klase. So, dito na kami, gumagawa na kami ng diorama. Nakakapagod na ang init ng mga ilaw. Naging oily na ako. Oily na ako ba ya, Bisaya?
You're not oily.
Oily na!
Not oily, your face. Not.
Minyak ya? Banya minyak yung mukha ko ya?
No.
Tapos yung ang aming cameraman, no?
Yes, yes.
Pagod na yata si Mr. Yan. Chape.
Capek
Ayan.
and hungry.
So, nasa second episode na kami for this September. Tinatapos lang namin. Pagod na din ako. Mahal.
Yes.
Ayan. Ano ba? Bilisan mo naman! Nagalit. Pinagalitan yung cameraman. Ayan. So,
Bye-bye.
yan. Mag-shoot na kami Babay na. Diyan na kayo. Babalik ako. Bye.
Yo.
So ayan, tapos na ang aming shooting for the episode of STEAM. So ito yung project nila. This is water cycle diorama. So ayan, nandito si Sister yan. Tapos nandito yung mga namin, no?
Hi, Mames.
Yan. Tapos, ayan. So ito yung set. This is the set. So ayan, kung gusto mong ma-update sa ginagawa ko sa buhay ko dito sa Indonesia, please
Mabuhay.
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay ba yun?
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe, click the notification bell, comments. So this is the video.
That's paper. That's like a kind of paper.
So we use this paper, this wall for the editing niya.
Yes, yes.
Halimbawa, di ba mag-upload niyo? Ano no?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Saya masih ting ting. Ting ting.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.